Coconut milk has become a staple in kitchens around the world. From home cooking to professional kitchens, its rich flavor is everywhere. But have you ever wondered how coconut milk is actually made? What starts as a tropical fruit becomes a global product. To find out, we need to go back to the very beginning. Welcome to the factory. This is how coconuts become coconut milk. Our journey begins in tropical regions where coconuts naturally thrive. These trees take years to mature before producing fruit. Experienced farmers carefully harvest coconuts at the right stage of maturity. Only healthy, mature coconuts are selected for milk production. Quality control starts right here, at the source. Once harvested, the coconuts begin their journey to the factory. Fresh coconuts are transported quickly to preserve quality. Timing is critical in food production. The destination, a modern coconut processing facility. This is where raw coconuts are transformed. Every delivery is logged and inspected. The production process officially begins. Before processing, coconuts undergo strict quality checks. Each coconut is visually inspected for damage. Cracks or defects mean rejection. Automation helps ensure consistent quality. Only the best coconuts move forward. Quality approved, processing can begin. The first step is thorough cleaning. Dirt, dust, and debris are removed. Mechanical brushes ensure deep cleaning. This guarantees food safety standards. Excess water is removed. Now the real transformation begins. Machines precisely open each coconut. The hard shell is removed. This is the heart of coconut milk. Nothing goes to waste. The pulp is rinsed once more. Next, extraction. The pulp is finely ground. Filtered water is added. Pressure releases the coconut milk. A smooth, creamy liquid emerges. Solid fibers are removed. This is raw coconut milk. Now the recipe is adjusted. Stabilizers improve texture. Some recipes include salt or emulsifiers. Homogenization creates consistency. Pasteurization ensures safety. The coconut milk is now complete. Before packaging, testing is essential. Samples are taken from each batch. Texture and consistency are checked. Safety tests protect consumers. Flavor must meet standards. Approved for packaging. Packaging begins. Each container is precisely filled. Sealed to preserve freshness. Traceability is ensured. Final visual checks. Ready for distribution. Products are boxed, prepared for transport. Stored under controlled conditions. Every pallet is tracked. Orders are prepared. On the road again. From factory to store, used by professionals. And enjoyed in drinks. Part of everyday life. All starting from a simple coconut. That's how coconuts become coconut milk.